With COVID-19 pandemic measures forcing many persons to be inactive for the better part of the last 3 years, organizers are hoping the turnout will be high for the upcoming Everyone's a Winner Best Dressed Chicken road race this Father's Day. That's June 18. Race director Alfred Frano-Francis says the event continues to be mainly about the promotion of a healthy lifestyle, but that proceeds from this year's staging will help a child who is now in need of life-saving treatment.
This year, we have a charity focus. We have a young man whose name is Rajay. He's 12 years old, and you know it's devastating to a family when you have a 12-year-old who has cancer. So we are focusing on Rajay.
Chief Administrative Officer at the Heart Foundation of Jamaica, Sasharine Chin, underscored the importance of continued participation in events like these.
Outside of screening and outside of medication, a very important part to balancing and knowing your numbers is to keeping them at a low levels, and running events has managed to do that because lifestyle changes is what we want for our clients and for persons within the country, and to ensure that we have the numbers down. And running events, even though it might be a one-off event, persons tend to get emotions in terms of preparing for the event in itself.
There will be special prizes on offer for father and son duos, as well as prizes for children under 12.